Well, daylight savings time is here. Spring is 10 days away. Economists hope that with the better weather come better data. In fact, many expect a spring bounce back. Steve Leisman has more.
Right along with pushing the clocks ahead this weekend, economists pushed ahead their forecast for growth come the spring. Oxford Economics wrote a piece titled, "Winter Blues Should Lead to a Jazzy Spring." The brutal weather, both the cold and the snow that hobbled the economy in much of the nation, should be an old winter's tale by the time the spring economic data rolls around, according to Harvard economist Marty Feldstein.
It is weather and it's inventory adjustment. So the first quarter is not going to be a good number, but I think we will see much better numbers in the next 3 quarters after that.
Feldstein is encouraged by the $10 trillion rise in household wealth in 2013 and what it could mean for consumer spending, along with an end to the fiscal drag in 2014. Goldman Sachs says the weather effects should turn positive in the spring. We therefore continue to expect growth of 3% plus starting in the second quarter. And over at UBS, they're very optimistic, saying they boosted their second quarter growth rate to 3.8%, allowing for a weather-related snapback. The risk to the forecast seen mostly overseas. China reported a sharp drop in exports that could portend a quicker slowdown in its economy. And the outlook for Europe remains uncertain. Obviously, there's a potential negative shock that could come from a worsening of the situation in Ukraine. But for now, the consensus is that there's a thaw coming and it should heat up the U.S. economy come April and May. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Steve Leisman.